Welcome to Skytron Controls. May 20th is World Metrology Day. Today we will learn about the manufacturing process of mechanical pressure gauges. This is a kind of instrument that uses elastic sensing elements to measure and indicate pressure, which can be seen everywhere in the field of heat pipe network, water supply and gas supply, vehicle maintenance and so on. Mechanical pressure gauges are easy to produce, have strong adaptability to temperature and climate, and can maintain stable and accurate measurement results in harsh environments. The manufacturer of mechanical pressure gauges must first print a dial, and the type of scale on the dial is determined according to the measurement unit used by the pressure gauge. Now put a hollow copper tube into the bending machine, 2 rollers with a cutter, so that bending, flattening, and cutting in one go. The extent to which the copper tube is bent and flattened determines the measuring range of the pressure gauge. It has a special name called Burden tube. And now the joint of Burden tube is processed, and the material used is also brass. Melt the solder in the jack of the joint, then put the Burden tube in it, and then fill the gap between the jack and the Burden tube with solder, and cool them down with water, and then solder the connection of the other end of the wave lamp tube. The method is the same, and so on. The finished parts are put into the washing machine, where the dirt and attached solder particles on the parts can be cleaned completely. The washed parts are connected to the side leakage meter. The side leakage meter will put the air into the wave lamp tube, and the stable pressure degree shows that the parts are not leaking and the sealing is good. Now fix the gear mechanism in the pressure gauge to the connector, after the machine tightens the screw, and then use the rivets to fix the connecting piece on the gear and the connecting piece on another end of the wave lamp tube together. Now that the pressure system of the pressure gauge has been assembled, fix them to the stainless steel casing. Then install the pointer for debugging. Install the dial on the debug pressure gauge. Confirm that the reading and scale are exactly the same. And you can install the glass cover. Press the glass cover with the ring, and then use the crimping machine to shrink the edge of the ring, tightly stuck on the stainless steel shell. And finally, inject glycerin into the pressure gauge to play a role of lubrication and buffer, and set the pressure gauge to manufacture. Well, this video is here. Pay attention to Skytron Control. You are the coolest.